Hello everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So this is going to be what I got for my birthday. My birthday was at the back end of January, so this is really late. I'm really behind on stuff, but better late than never. I've just been focusing on family time and cleaning the house and overtime at work, so yeah, this kind of thing has just been put on the back burner. And to be honest with you, I don't feel guilty about it. I feel really good about how I've prioritised my time, and I've invested my time into things that I've really enjoyed. So yeah, I've got no guilt about this going up late. There's nothing here with like a sell by date or limited edition, so it's totally fine. Yeah, I'm not going to bother telling you who got me what. I really enjoyed how I did what I got for Christmas and just basically went through all of the gifts. I appreciate everything that I have been given. I absolutely love everything. There's a lot of practical gifts here as well, which I love. I love a good practical gift. So yeah, I'm just going to get into it. I'm going to start off with books because I do have a lot of them, and the first one is this Joe Wicks cookbook, Feel Good Foods. It's got loads of recipes in here. I do love a good Joe Wicks book. I have like his Lean in 15 sort of books that he did, and I do love the recipes because they're nice, quick, easy, simple meals to make. I think this one is more focused around what he enjoys with his family. I've had a quick flick through and there is some lovely stuff in here, so I'm looking forward to making some of these meals. Sticking with like a cookbook, I've got the Pinch of Nom comfort food. I don't know how I managed it, but I'd fallen behind on purchasing the Pinch of Nom books, which is good because it's allowed people to buy me them for my birthday. So I've got this one, and I do stand by the Pinch of Nom books and the recipes that they have in them. I think they're really nice and tasty, and again really simple to make. Sometimes it appears like they've got a list of ingredients as long as my arm, but they're just like cupboard staples, stuff that you tend to always use in multiple meals, so they're not too bad. But yeah, I really do love a Pinch of Nom book. So with that being said, I've got another Pinch of Nom book. This is the Enjoy Great Tasting Food for Every Day. Again, I've had a quick flick through these two Pinch of Nom books, and I'm so excited and ready to start making some of these delicious recipes that they've got inside. They're just wonderful. Nice, easy, quick, simple, and very tasty. And I just love that. That's the cooking that I really enjoy, stuff that just doesn't take very long, but it ends up tasting amazing. So next I'm on to a novel, which is Life After Life by Kate Atkinson. I was sat at home one Sunday and I ended up like flicking through iPlayer to try and find something interesting to watch while Dan was doing some football stuff. And I came across Life After Life, which was like a drama series. And I did really enjoy it, but it didn't really have much of a background as to why this woman was being reborn. It was sort of like she had numerous lives. She didn't change her life every time she was reborn. She was still with the same family, she was still called the same name, which was Ursula. It's just like if she'd made a mistake which ended up leading to her death, she could then replay that scenario again and choose a different option. But yeah, I don't know, it just, with it being a TV drama, it was just like full speed ahead straight into the being born. I can't remember if the cord was wrapped around her neck, so then she was like a stillborn, and it just like started straight away. So yeah, I found it really interesting. Like I watched the entire thing all in one day. So I kind of wanted the book so that I could compare the two, and then if there was anything missing from the TV drama, hopefully it would be covered in the book. And then I've also got the full collection of the Maze Runner books, which is another one where I've watched the film, and I was really intrigued by the film, and like, you know, when you're watching a film, you kind of think to yourself, they can't fit everything into the film in like an hour and a half as what they can fit into a book. So it was one of the things that I'd said I'd like to read if I ever got the opportunity. So this selection of books is something that I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into, and yeah, finding out what happens. And then the final book that I was given is Prince Harry Spare. I do know that this book has caused a lot of controversy, so rather than me speculating and getting involved and putting my opinions across when, to be honest with you, I haven't read anything, I thought I would give it a go, and then I have got my own perspective on things. It's more due to like the hype of it all, of why I want to read it for myself, but yeah, I am looking forward to like having a clear mind, not being swayed by anyone or anything, and just reading this and taking it for what it is. So moving on to practical things, I was given a black rucksack. I know I've got quite a lot of other bags and stuff, but I just wanted a black rucksack which was smarter than my Harry Potter one, which I use for when I go for dog walks or long walks and stuff. I wanted a smarter one that I can use when I'm out and about shopping, and this is perfect. The clasp on the back here just makes it feel nice and secure, like no one's going to try, like no one can get into it while I'm wearing it, and it's a really nice size and I can fit loads in. So still sticking with practical items, I was given a reusable coffee mug, which is gorgeous. It's a non-spillable one as well, so this is ideal for when I am going to work, or me and Dan are off out for the day and we just want to take a nice coffee with us. I'm going to get so much use out of this because I do love a nice coffee, and the other thing that I've been using these for is for my green tea, or different flavoured teas as well. I'm somebody who I enjoy the flavour more when I leave the tea bag in, so I'm quite happy to put my tea bag in the hot water and just leave it as it is until I've drank it all, and I just think these are amazing. They keep the hot water so nice and warm for such a long time. So I'm absolutely over the moon that I was given a reusable coffee mug. I was also given some plastic utensils. This is to go into my pack up, my little lunch box when I go to work, which is amazing because there's been a few times where I've forgotten either a spoon or a fork, and I've had to use like the plastic ones. So yeah, I'm really thankful that I was given these, because I just think they're wonderful. Like, what an amazing idea. At the moment I am really enjoying going out on my bike, but with it still being a little bit dark on an evening, I needed a new light to go onto the front of it, so Dan picked me up this. I'm not going to turn it on because it is super bright, which is exactly what I asked for. I asked for a light to go on the front of my bike which would illuminate the path as well, so that I could see where I was going if there was going to be any obstacles in the way. So yeah, this is super bright, it needs charging up, but I am so happy with the new light that I've got to go onto my bike. It's just going to make riding my bike so much easier, knowing that cars are going to see me and I can see everything else in my way. And the last practical item, I absolutely love them. I don't actually want to ruin them, they're so beautiful. Like, if you are into your exercise and you're running, which I am, I'm really enjoying my running at the moment, you need some good trainers. So these are the New Balance trainers. They're in my favourite colour, blue. They're just so beautiful, absolutely stunning. And I know they're just some trainers, but these are beautiful. I'm part of that group now. I'm part of the running group where you get excited over athletic wear, and these are beautiful. I really, really love them. I have still got my Slazenger trainers that I picked up last year, because obviously I picked up about 3 pairs of them, so I do still have 2 pairs which have got a good amount of tread on the bottom. I've started using the second pair for outdoor running, and then I've got my 3rd pair for when I go to circuits, circuit classes. But once the tread has given way on the second pair, I'll just be like swapping them around. So I will get round to wearing these babies, but for the time being I'm going to just enjoy how lovely they look. So I am aware that I've already got loads of jewellery, but I did want a new bracelet. I wanted one to wear with my nomination bracelet, which I usually wear on this wrist. So I wanted one that was like a bit dressy but not too much. Yeah, I asked for that and I did receive one, which is this, which is absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that's picking it up really well. Yeah, there's just enough there, but it's still kind of simple, so it won't clash too much with my nomination bracelet. They'll both go nicely together on the same wrist. So I do think I will do a try on within this video as well. To be honest with you, the last few try-ons that I've done, I have got sick and tired of hearing my own voice. Just talking and rambling, like just talking crap, to be honest, and rambling. The last try-on I did, I got sick of hearing myself say the word comfortable so many times, and to prevent myself from having to hear that when I'm editing, and you from having to listen to it when you're watching the video. For the next few videos, when I do a try-on, I'm just gonna keep stum and overlay it with some music and just see how I feel about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do things a little bit different for a while, just because I feel as if I've got nothing to talk about and nothing interesting comes out my mouth. So anyway, I'm rambling again. I will show you what I was given for my birthday. So because I absolutely love pyjamas, I was given some Harry Potter pyjamas. You'll probably see them better in the try-on, but it's just like this navy and gold top, and then bottoms to match, which have got little prints all over them, like Slytherin, Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw symbols. So yeah, I thought they were really nice, and it's really nice material, so I'm looking forward to actually wearing these for bed. I don't think I actually asked for some more athletic wear, but I am very grateful for it because it's pretty much loungewear and athletic wear is what I wear, or on my work clothes. That is everything I'm wearing at the moment. Work clothes, athletic wear, pyjamas. I don't know why I've got loads of other clothes in my wardrobe because I'm just not getting around to pulling them out. But I was given some plain black, long exercise pants, which is wonderful. I'm all for just blending in and not being seen, so black is perfect. And these are really comfortable. They're from Matalan. I did ask for a size 14 because I do like them to not be too loose, but I think if I got a size 12 they would feel too tight on me. So I asked for a size 14, and these are just wonderful. I was also given this gorgeous blue vest top, which I'm also going to wear for running or doing circuit class. I just love that colour. That is so nice and bright. And then it's got like the netted bit on the back, so it's nice and breathable. It's going to keep me nice and cool. But yeah, beautiful. Also from Matalan. And I got the same pants again. These are just the cropped version. Matalan again in a size 14. And another bright coloured top. This one is got like these short sleeves. So this nice lime colour. Yeah, I don't know about when I said black and not being seen. The tops are gonna really show me off. But yeah, this is lovely. Unfortunately, there was a scuff mark on it. I was asked if I wanted to return it, but do you know what? Nah, I don't care. Like, it is a bit of a shame that there's a mark on it and it's brand new, but to be honest, I just couldn't be bothered going back in store. If I'm running past someone, hopefully I'm running that quickly that they don't even notice that it's got a splodge on it. So yeah, another nice top that'll come in useful. So my socks are looking a bit grubby, so I asked people to buy me socks for my birthday. So I've got 2 pairs of trainer socks here, just plain white ones, which is good because the white ones do always get really grubby on the bottom. I don't know how I manage it, but they do, so I can yeah, throw those other ones away or make them into rags and replace them with these new ones. And then I've got some funky patterned socks, 3 pairs here, which are floral stripes and then some more floral. And then another pack, which is a 7. You get 7 pairs of socks in this pack. That's amazing. And they've just got loads of different patterns on them. Some are faces, some are love hearts. Yeah, flowers as well. 7 pairs of socks in one pack. That's incredible. These are from Asda. Yeah, so that was good. I received a bit more money as well. which is really good. Again, I'll probably use this in the charity shops, or I will use it to put towards some running events. And then I think I've saved the best to last. I got given an entire box full, 32 packets of Walker's spicy tomato crisps. Amazing. And this is all because in one snack surprise video, me and Dan mentioned how much we absolutely love tomato crisps and why did Walker's stop making and selling the spicy tomato ones. I do not know where they got these from, or what sources and suppliers they went to, but all I can say is these crisps do not disappoint. I didn't make the whole thing up in my mind of how incredible they are. They really are amazing. So I am trying to make them last as much as possible, but not only that, I'm following the Slimming World plan. These are not on the app, but other Walker's crisps are about 8 sins, 8.5, so I am putting these through at 8.5 sins, which is really good because it's making them last, and I do really enjoy them, so I'm willing to use that many sins on a packet of crisps because they're beautiful, and they're not actually like any other packet of Walker's crisps. You get a good amount of crisps in here. It's literally, it's full up to that bit there. That's the only air. It's full up to where my finger is. The rest, all that there is full of crisps. Incredible. If you can find them, I highly recommend buying them and trying them. They're amazing. So that's everything that I was given for my birthday. I will quickly do a try on for you right now. Hope you enjoyed this video of what I got for my birthday. Like I said, it's better late than never. I am sorry it's so late, but yeah, there's nothing limited edition here. You can find it all still in store, apart from the crisps. I don't know where they're from. If it's been your birthday recently, happy birthday. Please let me know in the comments section what you would like for your birthday or what you have received for your birthday. And if you've watched this till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye.